In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox white screen when joining game. The first thing I suggest you do is you search for Roblox player, right click, open file location, right click again and open the file location, and this will bring you to the Roblox player beta.exe. You want to right click on this one, and then you want to go to properties, compatibility, activate this and these two. Once you have all three activated, press apply and then try and launch it and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, right click on your desktop, display settings, graphic settings right here, and then we want to add Roblox to our game here. So select desktop app, browse, and then we want to go to the folder up here. So you can just click here, Control C, click here, Control V, press enter, and then you want to add Roblox, but I already have it added, so just select it, options, high performance, save, and then try and see if it works now. Now, if this still doesn't work, another thing you can do is, if you have Roblox installed from the website, you want to try and go to Microsoft Store, and then try and install it from the Microsoft Store instead. So, if you have it from the website or anything else where you install it, you want to try and download it from Microsoft Store. But if you already have it from Microsoft Store, you want to try and download it from the website. So just try and download it from the other one. Once you've done that and checked if it works, if it still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for apps and features, search for Roblox, click uninstall on everything Roblox related. Then you want to head over to Google and search for Roblox download. Go to this one, download the app. Once you have it here, the installer, you want to drag it on your desktop, right click on the installer and run as administrator. So just run the Roblox installer as an administrator and see if this helps fix the issue. Now, as a last option, if you're just playing Roblox from your web browser, you want to come here, and then what you want to do is you want to press delete browsing data, go in there and delete everything from all time, so cookies and everything there is, and select all time, and just make sure you remember your password because it's gonna remove your passwords. So just do that and then see if that works. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. After you've done it, I suggest that you just restart your PC and then hopefully it works. Otherwise, you should go and download your graphics card software. So in my case, it's the NVIDIA one. You might have the Intel or the AMD. Download that one and that might also help. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.